TAZARA is an organization that was brought up and built around 1960, and this was built mainly because of the fact that Zambia had been cut off. The Ian Smith regime closed the border. With the closure of the border, it meant that Zambia did not have an access to the port in Durban. President Kaunda approached the Chinese together with President Nyerere, who agreed to put up the lines. You see, this line, when it was put up to move around about 5 million tons. That's the line capacity, line design capacity. Over the years, this capacity has gone down, mainly due to lack of recapitalization. We did put up a project for recapitalization of about 558 million. This was presented to the board, who approved that. But recently, we presented that to the Council of Ministers, and the feelings of the Council of Ministers is that what we need to do is go for PPP, get another partner who can come in with the funding to purchase the various items that are needed in this, like locomotives, wagons, rails, for the revitalization of TAZARA. Our two presidents, President Samia Suluhu from Tanzania and President Hakainde Hichilema from Zambia, have agreed and directed that we approach China to see if they can be our PPP partner, maybe do a concession with them going forward. And we are currently in the process of preparing the terms of reference between ourselves, Tanzania, to discuss with the Chinese on the way forward on the concessioning. We are always keen to be at SARA Rail Conference. It gives us a great opportunity to meet with a lot of our suppliers. We of railways are always behind in terms of technology. We are good at maintaining what we have, but we've got absolutely little idea of the new technologies that are out there. The Rail Conference provides us that opportunity to engage with the suppliers and manufacturers of equipment for the railways going forward. The future for railway is very bright. The future for railway is very bright for three main reasons. The first one is that all the countries are frustrated by the number of trucks on the rail, very frustrated. If you go into Zambia, you find 40, 50 kilometers of trucks. The advantage of using the trucks is very slowly going away. The marginal advantage of having adding an extra truck just isn't there anymore. And everybody is pushing towards having the trucks, the goods moved onto rail as much as possible. Zambia's, for example, already put up a policy to move 30% minimum of all heavy haul goods onto rail. That's just the beginning. All these East Africa, blah blah, we are inundated by the trucks, and we are not able to move properly. Secondly, the production of copper, both in Zambia and in the Congo, is projected to rise very much. In Zambia, we are looking at 3 million tons per annum by 2031, and in the Congo, they are already at about 2 million tons. They are now the second largest producer of copper in the world. Where will that go? How will that go? The roads are not there, so that has to come to rail. What is needed, though, is that with this realization, the governments need to put more emphasis, more effort onto the rehabilitation and revitalization of the railway industry, so that, and the railway infrastructure, to enable us to be able to move that traffic. At the SARA conference, I'm hoping to meet suppliers of signaling system, mostly. Why? Because the system that was put in has been was of copper wires, and that has been harvested. And if we are going to improve on the capacity of the line, we will need to put in that signaling system back into place. I'm looking forward to meeting signaling suppliers so that we can look at a solution for the signaling within the TAZARA network.